Sweetie pea, you ready to step up? Oh no, we've got to be petted first. Then we're ready to step up. That's my boy. Hi, Sweetie pea. Oh, make a good nose. He loves his Sasquatch. Such a beautiful baby. Oh, my beautiful, beautiful boy. He loves you, Sasquatch. Sorry. It just needs to be touched a little bit. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I won't do that. I'll let it wait. I can wait to do it another time. You sweet baby. Yeah, don't touch that feather. It's sensitive. Clean it another day. I'm going to get your beaky beak. Gonna get that beaky beak. Oh, guess not. Guess I'm not getting that beaky beak right now.